My name is Stallmann. I'm a composer, I'm a performer, I'm a musician, and I'm very interested in sound. The project proposal for Fulbright is called Sounds of Taipei. Taipei has its own unique identity with sound. And that was why I came here, to actually look into that idea. Really thinking about the intersection of environmental sound and music, and where those things meet, and how they meet, and how me as a composer who has many years of training in music can use sounds that are not what we typically call musical sounds. These are sounds that are normally outside the realm of music, or they're extra musical, or they're something else. But I'd like to, I think in my work I'd really love it if I could bring together all of the sounds that we hear in my work, rather than just a limited set that are musical. I'm working on a project that will happen this weekend at Taiwan Music Institute. And for this project, it's a collection of stories, actually, but the stories all have connection to sound. So there's something about a sound that created in me a desire to write a story. And so it's really, I'm using sound as a way of exploring culture, to use sound, listen to the sounds, and then understand the meaning behind the sounds, to learn about the culture, and also to learn about myself. So there's a combination of stories, there's a combination of sounds that I'll be presenting from all over the city. The Taiwan Music Institute has speakers outdoors, it has speakers indoors. I have about 20 loudspeakers for this concert. And so as you walk into the space, you'll be hearing sound. As you come through the whole first floor of the building, there are sounds. In the bathrooms, there are sounds. Everywhere there are sounds. And all of these sounds are things that I've collected over the course of this year that will be like ongoing as I present these stories. And there will also be traditional Chinese music played on this concert. I have 5 little pieces of sound that I want to play for you, which for me are very special. Okay, so we're back to number 1. And so number one is not because I think the sound is a beautiful sound, not because I think that everybody will like the sound, but because it's a sound that everybody knows, and because it ties into our last little piece of traditional music for me. As we all know and have experienced, when we stand on the street in Taipei, at every stoplight there is a swarm of motorcycles at the front. And then the light turns green and everybody takes off. And for me, this is just like a horse race. So we're going to follow this piece by a performance of Saima. So there's a combination of things that I've collected here. It's almost like, this year, it's like, going on the seashore and picking up seashells. I've picked up all these beautiful little gems of sounds that I'll be sort of sharing with people. I really wanted to explore this boundary zone between environmental sound and musical sound. And I've been experimenting with these ideas for the last 6 or 7 years, and I really felt, okay, now's the time to really think about this more closely and really address this. So for me, Fulbright has provided this incredible opportunity to be in a place that I am not normally in, that I can explore and really think about this issue and try and put something together. You know, in the arts, sometimes the benefits that happen from this change in thinking take a long time to appear. It's not like today I learned this and tomorrow I do that. It's more like today I learned this and maybe 5 years from now it totally changes the way that I approach my work. And I really believe that. And you know, this is sometimes something taxpayers don't understand. To have people representing the United States, and likewise have people come to the United States from all over the world, that we share ideas, we share culture. In my case, I share culture. In others, they share science. They share ideas with each other so that we have some kind of common communication. Because if we're communicating, then I think the world can be a little bit more peaceful place.